Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. Today we're lucky enough to be at Valhalla and we're checking out the brand new 55 sport yacht. That's right, this is an outboard powered sport yacht, just won Best in Show at FLIBS 2025. This is a 60-mile-an-hour boat and it comes from those Mercury 600 V12s, giddy up and go. One of the better parts of the aft is the platform. I can get all the way around the back side here. So if you want to scoop somebody up out of the water, if you want to cast back here, you can actually do it. She has a length overall of 55 feet 7 inches and a massive 15 feet 6 inches beam. But guess what? We have twin platforms that open it up, give us another 6 feet. You can relax all day long. And the best part about this aft end, the whole thing is covered in gorgeous teak. This beautiful wood table looks fantastic, but guess what? It's totally power actuated up and down, so you can fill it in if you want. Same thing for the shade above, power electric back, same thing for the window. Everything, every table on this boat goes up and down, actuated power, just at a touch of a button. Then we have an aft docking station on the starboard side. Then let's pay attention to the summer kitchen area. We got a grill, freshwater sink, place to put the trash, tackle storage, and then sit back and relax and enjoy the ride in this U-shaped seat back here. Absolutely supple. The cushions are beautiful with that diamond stitching. Now let's step forward. Before we get forward, let's talk about midships here. A lot going on again. First of all, we have steps on the starboard side and a flat platform on the left side. Asymmetrical design allows us more interior space. Now we have these beautifully electrically actuated doors by J.R. Beers, the same doors you can find on the big boats, so we can get in on the port and starboard side at a push of a button. All right, this is not like any other sport yacht you've ever been on. Why is that? Because we have a two-tiered system up here. We have a beautiful triple sun pad up forward. We have natural light coming into the cabin below, and then check out this U-shaped seating area and look at the table. Again, electrically powered up and down. We can fill it in so we can all relax up here in the sun. Absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna want to spend some quality time up here with the family. How comfortable is it in here? Here we are in the second tier seats back here. I can lower this window down, electrically actuated. I got a sunroof overhead. And then I have the two doors open up so we can get a nice breeze in here if we want. But the glass is amazing. I have great views up here. And with the windows down and the door open, I can keep in contact with everybody in the aft end. The hull color on this boat is a beautiful Pamlico blue. And we have gray on gray matching seats in the interior here, which really make it pop. And again, the diamond stitching, the quality of the build here speaks Valhalla and Viking DNA all day long. As we turn our focus to the helm station itself, of course we have our helm wheel, we have our Mercury controls, we also have our Mercury sky hook up here, we have a bow thruster, and then we have a triple Garmin array so you can catch all your telemetry, find your fish, do whatever you gotta do. We have Mercury vessel view overhead, and then a massive sunroof here, which is electrically actuated to open up and get a fresh breeze in here. And then they also have shades in here if you want to cut down on the sun as well. Very comfortable surroundings down here. We got heat and AC, just like we do up at the helm. And then come down below if you want to catch the game, you can. Relax. We have a microwave down here, plenty of refrigeration, plenty of storage down here as well. Then a primary cabin forward, beautifully detailed hanging locker. It really reminds you of the bigger sport yachts when you step down below, honestly. Then we have a shared head over here and a massive aft cabin head as well. Another great feature of below is the 6'6" headroom. I'm 6'1", I'm very comfortable. And if you're ready to go on a long passage, you can do it as well. We got 1,100 gallons of fuel on board. We all saw the renderings. We waited a long time for this beautiful boat to come to life. And I'm telling you right now, it doesn't do it justice. You need to step on board. You need to see the engineering, the refinements, the finishes, that Viking DNA, and then take her for a sea trial.